Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's home tour is a bit different. We're stepping into a house designed for someone who truly values privacy, an introvert's paradise. From the street, this house might seem like a bit of a mystery. The facade, with its stacked box design and perforated metal screen, gives almost nothing away about what goes on inside. But that's exactly the point. The owner, an introvert, wanted a clear separation between their public and private lives. Let's talk about the striking facade. Instead of your typical brick or concrete, the architects used custom-made tiles with a terracotta color. These tiles have a specific size that had to be perfectly matched during construction. This intricate detail speaks volumes about the skill of the local craftsmen, who achieved this with traditional techniques. This focus on privacy is reflected in the layout. The front of the house is dedicated to common areas and service spaces, like the kitchen and bathroom. As we move deeper inside, things get progressively more private. Now, Indonesia is known for its densely populated areas, where houses often touch each other. This can make creating a light and airy space a challenge. Here, the architects cleverly used a wide layout with large windows on all sides, even the upper floors. This maximizes natural light and ventilation, giving a sense of spaciousness despite the surrounding houses. So, what do you think? This introverted haven proves that even in a crowded environment, you can create a home that feels peaceful and private. Let us know in the comments below. Are you drawn to the introverted design? Or do you prefer a more open feel? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique home tours.